In this video, I'm going to teach you how to track calls in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot, and from in there, click onto this gear icon that you can see on your dashboard. Now, do take note that you need to have the Marketing Hub Professional in order to use the calling sequence of this. So once you're on your actual settings, click onto this calling. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see right here HubSpot calling, wherein you can register your phone number right here. From in there, you can click onto this get started, but as you can see, it will ask you to upgrade for an account. So essentially, once you have upgraded, you can turn on calling by going to the call setup and turning on call recording. You can add or select a HubSpot phone number that you want from there, and you should be able to do so that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.